G'day everyone, I'm David, this is my Tabletop Standard, and today I'm going to be unboxing my Aeronautica Imperialis. So I got this box in the post on Wednesday, but I sort of wanted to save it for a video. So I opened it up, had a quick peek, and then thought, I'll film it and get into it properly when I got my camera. So that happened to turn out to be on Thursday. So in this box we got the flight bases. These bases are pretty cool. They got two dials on them. The one is the speed acceleration dial. The other one's your altitude dial. The sprues are beautiful but absolutely tiny. These pieces I struggled to put together. The rockets are tiny. I didn't use tweezers to put them together, but if anyone had hands bigger than mine, there's no way they could stick them in. They were just way too small, but they look really nice built. These flight stands have ball joints in them, which are nice. The aircraft can actually tilt and you can have them banking or flying up. Came with a few dice. It doesn't look like it's going to be enough for the game, but I guess I got plenty of dice anyway. And this little, it's just a card really. Has a nice picture on the front and a picture of the different aircraft that come in it on the back. I was super keen to open up this rulebook, have a look inside it. I've not read through it all yet. I've gotten about, 90% of it done, but there's a fair bit of reading. The best thing I liked about this game is I used to build model aeroplanes when I was younger, and building these airplanes very much felt like building those model airplanes from back when I lived at home with my parents and they bought me little airplanes. It was really nostalgic for me. I really enjoyed it. It was nice building airplanes instead of soldiers for a change, and it was really fun painting up the airplanes too. It was nice doing some military looking airplanes rather than all these really bright colors, and yeah, that was nice. The rulebook has some lovely artwork in it. It does have some airplane stats and some missile stats. I'm pretty sure that the expansion card packs that you can get and the Ryan's World campaign book basically gives you all of the information. So this is only a starter set, but it gives you plenty enough to get started in a game. Putting together one of the airplanes. It took me pretty much all day to build all the airplanes, from basically just after breakfast through till when I went to bed. It took me probably 2 days to paint all the good guys planes, and probably a day to paint the orcs planes, and then another day to do decals. So as you can see, the pieces are absolutely tiny. Like those little boosters, they just glue in the back there, they're just tiny. I do dry fit everything before I glue it together, just to make sure I've cleaned it up enough and that the pieces that I clean up won't be showing anyway. Can't forget Gabriel, the guy who's made all this music. He's a very talented man. His channel is in the card above, so if you're interested, go check him out. I love all the little details in it. Like that gun piece there was made out of, I think, 3 bits, maybe 4. 1, 2. I think it was 3 bits. You can see the airplanes are tiny, but they look absolutely beautiful. I didn't mind that it was so many pieces because it makes such a nice outcome. And you can see how small the ship is there, and there's a group of all of them once they're finally glued together. And here we have the final result. I'll leave you to it. Enjoy watching the showcase of my painted aeroplanes, and I'll catch you at the end. Thank you very much for watching. I really enjoyed painting these fellas. I spent a good part of nearly a week doing it, between gluing them up, painting them, but I had a great time. My family did get neglected a little bit, but I love them to bits, don't worry. If you like what I do, please like the video, hit that subscribe button. If you enjoyed the video of an unboxing and just having the final product without the painting process, let me know. I very much enjoyed it, and it was a lot quicker to edit as well. So if you prefer that style, let me know. If you like the other style better, please let me know that too. So I guess until next time, I'll see you later.